Welcome to Python for Beginners, Lesson 1, Google Colab IDE. Okay, the introduction is basically, it's a co-laboratory or called Collab for short. It's a product from Google Research. Collab allows anybody to write and execute Python code through the browser and is especially well suited to machine learning, data analyst and education. Okay, let's go to Google Colab. Okay, on Google you can just search for Google Colab. Okay, it's the first URL. Okay, when you open Google Colab you will get a screen like this. So normally if you start with a new notebook you will just click new, then it will take you to a new notebook. So each line that you see here is basically, it's either a code or a text line. In this case it's a code line. So to actually test Python code you will just say hello world, and then you will just click on this button to execute your code. Now you just ran your first code. Congratulations, you just written your first Python code. Hello world. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.